Hey viewers, let's start our video number 2 of the our project 1. I just previously posted my project 1 on YouTube. You can see. So let's start with the navbar. We have to create nav with the tag class. You can use or put anywhere wherever in that class. So first of all, navbar expand and then large. That means we can expand our navbar in a more space. Navbar light, it's the color of navbar big light. Ooh, yes. So let's end it and next move to the next line. So then first of all we have to make an image. So give an image tag class. We don't need a class here, so simple source you can put there. Source means the path of an image. So our image name is unnamed .png. So png is the extension of our image. So let's set up is this height of an image. Height is images, we put here 60 pixels, and weight we can write there 40%. So move to the next line. So next is a intro. So intro is used to create a hyperlinks. So class here is navbar brand, and then next is href means the path of file we give there. So first of all we don't need to give, so we have to just start it. So simple, put there bank from, and then close the tag of enter a. So move to the next point, and then now do with the button, and the class of button is bdn, and the type of button is type. We can say is button, and then data toggle is collapse means we have to merge the data we put there. So next is data target. In this data target we give the data target, we have to target the data there. So hash is on you if you want to put the hash or not. Navbar nav art and markup. The next is area control. So area controls is used to control the area. So here just copy and paste. Now here we have to paste. So next is area label. Area label means we have to collapse means that we have to show or hide the data, so we must give the label of that data. So it's the same here. So let's move to the next point. Sorry, we have to give the label, so it is toggle navigation. So now move to the next line. So next line is our is span. So span is a line element. It remains same on the same line. Class is navbar, toggler icon, and then start, where start is a button where after the clicking of button of start we we go to the first page of our web and then close the span. Here the next is and the tag of button. Let's just move to the next point. So here next is div is our block element. Here when we write on a div tag or give a div tag, so it just make another line on the page. So here class is collapse or navbar collapse, and then id is an specific identity of each tag or each button or each lines. For example, paragraph, we have to give up different identities to the paragraph, so we can give them css differently. So it's the same to paste here. Let's move to the next line. So let's move to the next point here. Div. The next is same as div class is over navbar and then nav. So move to the next line. So here we're gonna give the links of our 5 pages in a web. Okay. So first is our home page. So at the home page we give the a whole. So a tag and then class is over here. Nav item, nav item, nav link. Nav link means active. So our currently active page is home. So href is here. We are just started, so we are skipping this. So when we move further, so I just put the back to here and put the file name. So first is home and then span, so we can write write a currently with the home, so we can know about the currently page or which is open. So sr only you can put whatever in that class, because I have to just made it. So currently, so again in next is and then and the tag of span, and then close the tag of ae. So next is, so let's copy this and now make this, so we can use that multiple a's. Simple, right? Us and just paste here. So here is our second page. A named is login, and So again, we can give the class over third page. So our third page name is registration. Registration here, and the first same class here, and the contact contact us. So our last page here is same class again, is is all about information where we put the about the bank here. Sorry, it's just right there. So at the end, so we are here. We first of all we give an image, and then we make a button of start here, and then we give the navbar like in 5 pages in the navbar. So let's save it and show the output here. So here's the output. So first off we give the image, and then the link of first file our named is bank form, and then star, and again is and the home is our current page when we open these. So second, login, registration, contact us, and about, and then next to this we have to make an input of search, put for search, and then so again is class here. So class here I can give our form control, and the type of input is search. Okay, so because search means we can search any type of information in the in our web page. Again is placeholder. Placeholder is used to give the name in the input. So placeholder is equal to search, and again is area label because we target search button or search input here. So we just leave the label here named search. So let's end it. Move to the next line. So make a button of search, name the search button. Class here is same as Biryani or whatever you want, you can give them, and the type of button is here submit. You can also, if you when we move further, so I can tell you about the type of buttons here: submit, search, let's give it the name search, and now end the button tag. So here we are. Let's save it and then make sure we are. So it's clear and it's so simple. Okay. So search is the placeholder. Is it written in the input and this search button? And now today we make a navbar in which have a 5 pages and an image and the start button with a first file name. So let's call it today. So when we move further, so I can give you some interesting videos other than these. So in the next video we learn about the our our or the site images or the site links here. Okay, so I hope you will be great today with this video. So let's move on.